Welcome back to Crypto Insights AI. In today's video, we'll be discussing the history of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have a relatively short but fascinating history. The concept of a decentralized digital currency can be traced back to the 1980s, when computer scientist David Chaum created the idea of digital cash. However, it wasn't until the launch of Bitcoin in 2009 that cryptocurrencies really took off. Bitcoin was created by the mysterious individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. In a white paper published in 2008, Nakamoto outlined the technical details of Bitcoin and how it would operate as a decentralized, digital currency. Bitcoin quickly gained a loyal following and its value began to rise. In 2011, the first major cryptocurrency exchange, Mt. Gox, was launched, allowing people to buy and sell Bitcoin easily. Since the launch of Bitcoin, thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have been created. Some of the most well-known altcoins include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These cryptocurrencies operate on their own blockchain platforms and offer different features and functionality. The use and adoption of cryptocurrencies has grown significantly in recent years, with more and more merchants accepting them as a form of payment. In 2017, the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies saw a massive surge, leading to a frenzy of media attention and public interest. While the future of cryptocurrencies is uncertain, they have already had a significant impact on the financial industry and have the potential to revolutionize various industries through the use of smart contracts and decentralized applications. That concludes our brief history of cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for more videos on all things crypto.